All right, you are watching Nathan's Weather Show number 669 for Wednesday, April 5, 2023, and we got to start with this. Tornado warning includes Paw Paw, Shabbona, Hinckley, DeKalb, Sycamore. This includes Lee and DeKalb counties in the western sides of Chicago. This is west of me by about 30-ish miles. What caused the tornado warning? This thing near Paw Paw headed northeast. It looks like it's headed right for my school and Maple Park. If you are within this red box, take tornado precautions immediately. Possible tornado near Paw Paw moving northeast. Tornado warnings in effect till 6:45. This includes Waterman, Malta, Lee, Paw Paw, Sycamore, Maple Park, and Hinckley. This will get extended east as it goes along. If you are in this box, take tornado precautions. I mean, this is embedded within the line of convection QLCS line. Moving east toward the Chicagoland area at 65 miles an hour. I expect a tornado warning around 6:30-ish for my area. I know good and well I may not even get ready for the bus, but probably will. But this is not good. Tornado warning, it's headed right for Waterman. Looks like it's headed right for Maple Park, too, which is which is 20 minutes from my house. I got a clear shot out west outside my window right now. It looks like there could be... I mean, it's pretty dark to the west still, but because of this line. But, I mean, this could be a possible tornado on the ground near Paw Paw, and I'll show you where it's at right now. If we draw that there, it's somewhere in this area. Excuse that messy drawing. Now it's actually near Shabbona. Looks like it's going to be right about there. If you are in DeKalb, southeast sides of DeKalb, Waterman, especially Waterman. Actually, Waterman, we're going to say Waterman, Caneville, and Elburn. Waterville, Caneville, Elburn, Maple Park. Take tornado precautions. Lily Lake as well. If you are on north sides of Caneville, northwest sides of Caneville, southeast sides of Maple Park, and west sides of Elburn, west and north sides of Elburn, get ready. There could be a possible tornado 28.5 miles to the southwest, at least within 20 miles southwest of you. Even if you are not in the tornado box, if you are within at least 5 miles east of it, Maple Park, east sides of Maple Park, Kane County side of Maple Park, Elburn and Caneville, please take tornado precautions right now because this is, and I know a lot of people at this time are starting to go to school, get ready for school, especially in Kane County, on the Kane County side of Maple Park. I'd say don't risk it. Take tornado precautions. Waiting outside for the buses ain't worth risking your life in the path of a possible tornado. Now, these are going to be brief, short-lived tornadoes. However, sometimes they could be long-tracked to produce some sort of damage. So if you're in Waterman, we're going to stress that for a while because it's right in the path of it. If you are in Waterman right now, get into tornado shelters immediately. Same thing with north sides of Caneville. Actually, honestly... it's either going to bridge the gap between Maple Park or Elburn, it's going to miss one of them or hit one of them, and it's going to go right over my school. So we'll take that for what you will. I mean, I'm very familiar with this area. I'm very familiar with where this is at. So if you are within this area, if you see your area, actually I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. If you are within this area right here, actually, it's hard to zoom in. Now it's cutting off. So if you're within this area, you can take tornado precautions. Kendall County, you're in the clear. It's not going to turn east. It's moving northeast. Sugar Grove, you'll most likely be in the clear. Waterman, Hinckley, Maple Park, Elburn, Lily Lake, you are not. Southeast sides of DeKalb, you are not. Take tornado precautions immediately. This could be, honestly, the rotation, it's there, but it's not impressive as it was. But even if that does start to weaken, it could start to fire back up even further south and produce a tornado going right over my house. So who knows? I've been worrying about that for the past 5 days since Friday because I knew something bad could happen if it does do this. And this is mimicking exactly what happened on Friday night. However, there were about 20 tornadoes there. Who knows how many there could be now. So if you are within DeKalb, Maple Park, Elburn, Caneville, Waterman, Hinckley, take tornado precautions as you're going to need it. Even though you're going to school, if the school gets mad, tell them to call me because I ain't risking people's lives in the path of a tornado. Have them go out to school. I just take tornado precautions. Is all I have to say. Let's go to the forecast real quick, as I got to get this out as fast as possible. Out ahead of this. Right now, North Aurora 69, feels like 69, humidity 77%, dew point 62, winds out of the south at 15. Thunderstorms obviously possible in the morning today till about noon, high of 69, then drop down, go cold front behind this, drop down to about the 50s by mid-afternoon, then upper 40s by sunset. Partly cloudy skies, mostly cloudy skies, and wind possible through the afternoon, and a high of 55 in the afternoon. Winds could get up to about 25 miles an hour. So one more time before we go. Tornado warning includes DeKalb, Sycamore, Maple Park, Hinckley, and Waterman. If you are within those areas, west sides of Maple Park, DeKalb County side of Maple Park. In fact, I think that thing is headed right into Waterman right now. And if you are in Maple Park right now, take tornado precautions immediately. If you have to go to school or work, wait at least another 20 minutes, because there is no way that you are going to let a tornado come right over your town and have to go to school. This is probably the worst case scenario possible. I mean, if you are in Waterman right now, please take tornado precautions. I've been stressing about this for the past few minutes, but if you are in Waterman, Maple Park, west sides of Elburn, possibly northwest sides of Caneville, take tornado precautions immediately. And so with that, that's been Nathan's Weather Show, number 669 for Wednesday, April 5, 2023. And with that, stay safe, please. Take tornado precautions if you're in this area, and goodbye.